When you're feeling depleted, you can do something called kidney breathing. So you stand about shoulder width apart, and we're going to shift our weight from left to right and then find the center of that between your feet. So we're doing that just to like find our center, knees slightly bent, pelvis tucked, relax the hips. And then we're going to place one hand on the back or two hands. As you inhale, feel the back expand, or you can place one hand on the belly, one hand on the back. So we're feeling that expansion all the way around, recharging the energy. And let go of any tension in the body. Relax your knees. Allow all your weight to find equilibrium so that the weight goes through to the earth. Usually that central axis goes from the crown of the head down to the shoulder, to the hips, to the front of the heel or the back of the arch. See if you can align that in your posture, in your positioning. And so when we tuck the pelvis, that helps the lower back to straighten, but we're not tensing the glutes. We only tuck from the hips and from the pelvis. Slightly bent knees, and feel the feet absorbing that energy as you breathe. Use this hand to feel the energy in the back, expansion as you inhale. So a couple of minutes of this and you'll start to feel some energy building.